In today's quick guide, I will tell you how to get antivirus serum in Dark War and why it's super important for survival progression. First of all, what is antivirus serum? Antivirus serum is a special item used to cure infection effects, unlock progression stages, or boost survival upgrades, depending on your game mode. The first method is through campaign missions. Progressing through story stages often rewards antivirus serum, especially in mid-game chapters. Next, complete your daily and weekly missions. These give consistent serum rewards just for staying active. The method third is to look out for limited time events. These usually offer large amount of antivirus serum as milestone or ranking rewards. The fourth method is through alliance rewards. Join an active alliance contributions, boss fights, and rewards can give extra serum over time. Also, joining an alliance makes sure that you are not alone during a big battle and also gives you many benefits such as giving you rewards and other benefits. Method fifth is through shop exchange. Sometimes you can also get it through shop exchanges or event currency trades, so always check limited offers. Don't waste antivirus serum early. Follow for more Dark War tips and guides.